In 1667, a brilliant Danish scientist reached a stunning conclusion after years of meticulous research on certain enigmatic stones highly valued for their supposed medicinal properties. Contrary to popular beliefs of the time, he determined that these stones were not celestial gifts fallen from the sky during lunar eclipses, nor were they petrified serpent tongues as many believed. The truth was even more fascinating. They were actually fossilized teeth, many of which belonged to a prehistoric colossal shark species, later known as the Megalodon, the largest marine predator to ever swim in our planet's oceans. The Megalodon, a titan of the seas, reigned supreme in a world vastly different from ours. This era was marked by warmer seas and an incredibly rich marine biodiversity. With their formidable 20-meter length, 3 times the size of today's great white sharks, the Megalodons had no rivals in their habitat. They inhabited nearly all of the planet's oceans, and it's possible they undertook transoceanic migrations, crossing vast stretches of water in search of food and mating territories. The era of the Megalodons, which began about 20 million years ago, was a time of abundance for many forms of marine life. Newly formed seaweed forests housed a variety of species, from otters to dugongs, while fin whales exhibited their maximum diversity. The seas teemed with life, offering the Megalodon a virtual feast of high-energy food options. The diet of these giant sharks included not only large prey like whales but also other predators, perhaps even members of their own species, as suggested by nitrogen isotope analyses found in their teeth. Megalodons were fascinating creatures in many respects. Like many other sharks, they had the ability to lose and regenerate thousands of teeth throughout their lives, providing us today with an abundance of fossils to study. In some fossil sites, large quantities of small megalodon teeth were found, indicating these areas may have served as nurseries, where numerous generations of young megalodons grew in shallow, sheltered, and food-rich waters before becoming formidable marine predators in adulthood. Besides teeth, researchers have in their arsenal a remarkably well-preserved vertebral column, consisting of 141 vertebrae from a 46-year-old megalodon. This exceptional specimen offers crucial insights into the anatomy and lifestyle of these prehistoric giants. Based on a three-dimensional model of the megalodon's body, scientists believe its stomach could store impressive volumes, nearly reaching 10,000 liters, enough to accommodate an entire orca. Its incredibly powerful jaws could shatter an extinct 7-meter sperm whale in just 4 bites. Fossils of ancient whales clearly show the marks of megalodon bites, some of which even healed, proving these giant sharks hunted live prey. However, even these formidable predators were not immune to the changes in the world around them. When they disappeared about 3.5 million years ago, the global climate had significantly cooled. The formation of more glaciers and the consequent lowering of sea levels dried up many coastal habitats, leading to the loss of some of the world's richest marine sites. Furthermore, about a third of all marine megafauna went extinct, drastically reducing the food options available to the megalodons. The megalodons faced high energy demands due to their size and the likely mechanism they used to regulate body temperature, allowing them to inhabit cold waters and attack prey with bursts of speed. Environmental changes may have made the megalodons more vulnerable, putting them in direct competition with other predators, such as the great white shark, a newcomer to the marine scene at the time. The extinction of the megalodons had profound global impacts. The end of their long journeys likely disrupted the transport of nutrients between different ecosystems, significantly altering marine dynamics. Many animals were released from the immense predatory pressure of megalodon attacks. After the extinction of these giants, some marine mammals significantly increased in size, perhaps partly due to the absence of this existential threat. This reminds us of the interdependence of ecosystems and the importance of top predators. Today, conservationists are striving to prevent current sharks from facing a similar fate to the megalodons, this time potentially caused by human activities. The megalodon, with its millions of years of gnawed bones and explored seas, remains as a monumental testament to the interdependence and evolution of marine life on Earth. Now tell me in the comments, do you think these incredible animals still exist in the depths of the oceans?